Praise the day. Yes. Here to say, praise the day. Praise. On day 31 of 64 days of peace, the Michael Chekhov Way. Praise. Can we give praise for the day? Can we give praise to ourselves? Can we find an opportunity to give praise to someone else? When we are offering praise, we are expressing a kind of appreciation, a kind of gratitude. Maybe if there's been any sort of forgiveness needed, we're strengthening our healing. If there's amends being made, they don't necessarily come from being made by praising, but when we are in the mindset of giving praise, we bring peace into ourselves. It's Sunday. We're in this 5th week of considering thoughts and skill sets and techniques to find a greater sense of peace within us. And we can do that. Obviously, I'm out on my motorcycle. I'm enjoying some peace. I'm going to a nice event tonight for the Screen Actors Guild Actor Awards, and I am excited. Those awards are a way of giving praise in appreciation for the excellent work that my colleagues have done in the entertainment industry. And one of the things that in the Chekhov technique we do regarding praise is we do a self-evaluation, flying back over what we might have just done. We look at what we were aiming to do, and we find a way to praise some overall aspect of it, and to give a sense of appreciation for the overall accomplishment that we gave. And then we ask, what could we do to develop this further if we get take 2, if we get to do it again. And then we find one special moment to praise that was just a really delightful moment. And when we do our self-evaluation in this way, we are able to feel better about ourselves, and we avoid the violent self-criticism that so many people dump upon themselves. And so let's look to the more peace we can bring in the world, the more peacefully we can behave, the more we can appreciate and give ourselves a little pat on the back. Raise that hand up, bend that elbow, pat, give yourself a moment of praise, raise that hand, extend it to someone else, and maybe offer them a note of sincere praise. I'm not talking about blowing smoke up somebody's butt. I am literally inviting us to look for what is praiseworthy in our world, because there is so much that is praiseworthy. And when we seek that and find that and express that to someone, maybe you can find 3 people today to observe something that's praiseworthy and let them know. And that will help. When we're given praise for something, we tend to do more of that. And so praise what is praiseworthy, and we will generate more of it, inspire more of it. And when we acknowledge within ourselves what is praiseworthy, we will do more of it. Praise, and glory be, praise this day.